It is RTA gang, you feel me?
RTA gang.
Yeah, I know it's crazy. It's your boy Pr.2k, and I'm here with another video. Feel me? I'm here with my 20-year-old brother. Feel me? Ready hop on the monk yet? We're gonna be doing a rate me challenge between me and my brother.
Damn.
1 through 10.
Did you turn on the mic?
Yeah. No, we don't.
It was 14. We don't do that.
Yeah, she was 15. What you good, brother? Oh, she 14 too. No, that's the case, my nigga. It's a whole case. Why am I getting all these 14s? I don't like 14-year-olds. Hold on, ain't it?
That's a nigga.
Yeah, I see Wyatt. Nah. What are you doing? Are you good?
That's a nigga.
I know that's a nigga.
Nigga.
You don't gotta tell me this, my guy. I know this.
That's a nigga.
Yeah, that's a nigga, bro. I don't know why I'm getting all these niggas.
Dang.
She 14. Yo, what's up?
I think it's shit. Yeah.
That's crazy, bro. It's like, oh shit. Hello.
Hey, yo, add time. Alright, so look, right. A little man, he on a little YouTube, Jeffy. You feel me? We on his little YouTube, what? Jeffy. Look, we on a little YouTube, Jeffy Mac. We recording right now. Look, you gotta rate us on a scale of 1 to 10.
That him right here with the little heifer thing on, he got a 8, and then you got a 9.
Why I gotta be an 8? Hold on. Why I gotta be an 8? He a 9.
I just want.
I got a 9 too. Why can't I be a 10? Why can't I be a 10?
Why you change it? Why you ain't stick with what you had at first? Why you change it?
Okay, let me ask you some questions.
Alright, what's up?
Okay, the first question is how you spell cemetery.
You doing too much. That's why. Come on, man. Like, that was school was today, man. Like, you doing too much.
Well, bro, no cap.
Hello.
Hello.
Hey, how you doing? Hey, add time.
Add time real quick.
I can't hear y'all.
Alright, look, you listening?
We can't hear you. I can't hear you.
We can't hear you.
Okay.
Right. You can hear us?
Yes.
Alright. My little man doing this little YouTube Jiffy Mac, for real. So you gotta rate me and him on a scale of 1 to 10.
Okay. I can't see you.
You gotta get in. What is he? Just rate me then, cause he.
I give you a 10.
You give me a 10?
Why? Alright, so why he get a 10? You gotta explain all that.
Why you mad? What? He mad cause he not getting no rating.
It's a question. You gotta ask this question.
I know I'm asking these questions. Get in the camera now.
Alright, so why he get a 10?
RTA gang, look at this man. He don't know.
Cause he just looks like a 10 to me. I like he looks nice.
Right. Look, don't pump him up. See, don't pump him up. All right, before we dip, my little man wants you to say RTA gang.
You can say that for me, just for the one time.
RTA gang?
Yeah.
RTA.
Oh, RTA gang.
She said it too. God, yeah, that.
Feel me? That's just how we coming together.
What?
Hello? You in class?
It's not me. Hello.
How you doing?
Okay.
Add time.
Stop, man. That's how we
come. All right. Y'all listening?
Who's what you just look like?
All right, y'all listening?
No, the other one.
You listening? Hold on. You listening? Are you listening? Can you hear me?
He taking over. Like, I can't even ask my question.
All right. My little man's got a question for you.
All right, on a scale of 1 to 10, rate me.
Who? You?
Yeah.
7.
Me?
7.
All right, so why he get a 10?
9. I don't know.
Oh, the other girl said 9. Why can't I be a 10? Why can't I be a 10?
What?
Why can't I be a 10? The other girl said 9.
I said 9. That's good. Because if I say 7, okay, 10.
Alright, you feel me?
So why he get the 10? Why he get the 10?
That's crazy, man. That's crazy, my nigga. The other girl gonna come in and talk about. Hello?
Hi.
Hey, how you doing? Hey, Tom.
Hi.
Alright, so I got a question.
Wait. My little man, he on the little YouTube thing right now. So yeah, shout yourself out, do all that.
Nah, don't. So look, I got a question.
Okay.
So, on a scale of 1 to 10, rate me. Don't rate him. Rate me.
Just by looks, I'd say 8. I'd say 8.
Wait. Why am I 8? Why can't I be a 9?
Well, I don't know, because your rate should be about your looks and your personality.
Ah, she got you. She got you right now.
I'm not mad at that. I'm not mad at that. But this is only about looks, though. Only about looks. Get on my.
Okay, only about looks. I'd still say 8.
You say 8? I ain't gonna. Hey.
I mean, you're
As
not
long as it's
ugly.
between 10 and 8, I'm not mad at that. I'm not mad. I can't be mad at that. Alright. Thank you.
Alright, before we leave, my man said, can y'all say RTA gang?
For the one time.
Say it.
Mm-hmm.
Say it.
Yeah,
Mhm.
say it.
RTA
RTA gang.
gang?
Mhm.
Yeah.
That's another one, bro. Stop.
I got my little man, RTA gangs. Oh,
Yo, you accepted that whole
You got
voice.
that. Oh, you got that one. Ooh, she like a. She definitely did.
Bro,
He gay.
yo, you stop discriminating on my channel, bro. What is you
My
doing?
fault. I forgot. Hey, my fault.
You don't discriminate.
He told me.
Hey, how you
Ooh!
doing? Yo, we gotta add.
Oh my God! Please add her. Oh my God! Oh my God! Add time, please. Add time, please. Add time. Shorty, look. Hey, look. I need to take over this one. Look.
Say what?
Alright, listen. Look, we doing a little YouTube channel.
Oh, now it's a we.
Yeah. So, alright. Well, first, shout out my man. So I need you rate us on a scale of 1 to 10.
I can't really see dude over there, but you and I.
Me?
Shut up. Me?
What? I can't see the other dude.
Him?
She can't see you.
You and I think you dude with the heel dude.
Oh, you can't see me?
I'm a 9. She can't see you.
You and I.
Oh my.
Oh, why?
Oh, let me
Wait.
follow that real quick.
Why couldn't wait?
Wait, hold on.
I'm trying to figure out why couldn't I get the cool little 10? Like,
I don't know.
Nah, he a 9. So I got a 9.5, right?
Yeah.
Alright, so why couldn't I be a 10? Why couldn't I get that 0.5? Like, why couldn't I get that? Oh, so you gotta get to know me first.
Yeah.
That's nothing but a word. Alright. I'll holler at you.
no, you gotta tell her you can the little.
I got so much editing.
No,
to
she
do,
really
bro.
did me dirty though. I'm gonna get a 9. Like,
Yo,
I think it's only because I got this thing on my head.
I'm not even gonna lie. It's just that I just look better than you, bro. That's all it is to it. Like it ain't no if, ands, or but about it, bro. It's just I just look better than you. That's all it is. Feel me?
I don't think it's
We got some.
I think she just ain't really.
No, bro. Oh, she 15. We good. The camera.
Oh my.
Yo, can you stop? Yo,
Oh, I know.
Hello?
Can you rate me 1 to 10?
Can you do the same for me if I do it for you?
Yeah.
Alright, you're cool, 8.
Huh?
I said you're cool 8.
Okay, I give you I give you a 8.5.
8.5. Wait, you gave me the 0.5.
Oh, y'all niggas ugly.
Oh nah, fuck that piece out, bro.
You said what?
You
know how nasty you is. You know how old my grandmother is. You obviously gets no ass because you talking about my grandmother. No, you dirty.
I got a question.
Yeah.
Can you rate me on a scale of 1 to 10, please?
Yo, they funny, bro. You gotta follow them. They funny. They funny, bro. They funny. You gotta follow them. Gang. Can my mans get a rate?
Can y'all rate me?
Oh, sorry. I forgot.
Yo, bro, stop, bro. Stop. Yo, stop, yo.
I'm trying to make sure they can see me. They need to get the whole feature.
That's why they turn their head.
And that's why I'm doing it too.
If you turn their head, they gonna have to turn their head again.
Oh, alright, then tell them turn their head again. I want to do this same shit too. What are you talking about?
Oh, new freezer.
Oh,
new freezer.
Ah. Oh.
All right, for real, rate him. Come on, stop playing. 9. All right, that's 1. 9. All right, so why he can't get the whole 10?
Right, why can't I get the whole 10? Y'all gave me 9. It's like.
Because I don't like personality, you know?
Alright, but this is based off looks, though. It ain't gotta be personality included. You feel me?
Oh, you can get the 10. You can get the 10.
I can get the 10? Good luck.
All right, hot ball.
Now we done. Alright. So, that whole monkey ass situation got out of control because of this dude right here. This dude. But, catch me in the next video. New content coming all 2K19. We're not lacking this year. We're not lacking. RTA gang. We out.